Hello everyone. As I stated in a previous video, I actually submitted a warranty claim to replace my backbone controller for a warranty replacement. And when I submitted the warranty claim, Backbone contacted me back and said that my controller was no longer under warranty, but they would be willing to offer me a refurbished replacement at no cost. So I ended up going with that. And this is actually the box that it came in. They actually sent a return shipping label so I could actually send my old controller back to them, and more than likely they'll just refurbish my old controller and send that one out to someone else. But honestly, I have to say that Backbone's customer service was phenomenal. I think from the moment I submitted a claim for the warranty up until they actually paid out the claim, so to speak, with sending me this controller was about 2 weeks. So I mean, it was amazing. Now, I'll start with the unboxing here, and I mean, I've already opened this just so I could get a quick eye on what's inside. This is going to be a very simple unboxing, everybody, so just let you know. So open it up from here. So in the very top up here, this is actually your adapter for the phones that you see listed here. It's just a little rubber piece that goes underneath this side over here, and it's just made so for larger phones that have the camera bumps, such as the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the iPhone 13, and all these others here. That the camera bump, if you don't put this adapter in there, if you do not put this adapter in there, then the phone will not fit inside the controller. So that's what this adapter is meant to be used for. So from here, it's just a little notice from them. It says snap in and then game on. You can just pop this out, and then you can just pull the controller out from here. So from what I noticed, it is very hard to see. There we go, right there. So you can see it's a little bit worn from where people have been playing with the controller. And then on the back side, you can see that there is a little bit of wear right here and right over here. But honestly, this controller is in great condition to be refurbished. So you can see there's a little bit of wear on the directional buttons here. But honestly, this controller is in great shape. The mechanism still works just fine. The buttons still work. Everything feels great. So freaking fantastic customer service from Backbone, I have to say. And then I'll continue forward here. Underneath here is just some information, nothing important for you to note there. But I mean, it doesn't come with any cabling such as you might get in the original manufacturer's shipping box. And of course, it's still in a Backbone labeled box. So I mean, it's a nice touch that they would do that. But besides that, I mean, that's pretty much the unboxing for this controller. So if you do have a Backbone controller that may be giving you some issues, I would certainly reach out to Backbone and see if they would be willing to send you a refurbished Backbone free of charge. Besides that, guys, I appreciate y'all watching this video. Please comment, subscribe if you wish, and you have a great day.